with me today to TOR CALDARA, a beautiful woodland with natural sulfurous springs.
Today the sun is out and I'm visiting this beautiful wood and I hope you enjoy it.
I'm free this morning because I'm working this afternoon, so I decided to explore.
Hello beautiful donkey! Look at the donkeys! They are very cute!
I'm not adding any music because I want you to listen to the sounds of nature. This is one of the sulfurous ponds here in TOR CALDARA. Listen, absolute silence. I'm recording and not paying attention to the path. If I go missing, you'll know where I am. This is the old tower of TOR CALDARA.
Look how beautiful it is, this place.
This tower is ancient. Look at the sea. I miss summer, but it's still February. Okay, now let me hurry so the video doesn't get boring. Sorry, I'm rushing. This is a landscape. Nice. And here is the natural spring.
There's a strong smell of sulfur.
Time to finish this short. See you soon!